Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to use the Microsoft Outlook app on your Android phone, from setting it up to sending your first email. First, open the Outlook app. If you have not installed it yet, check out our previous video on how to install it. Now sign in using your email address and password. Outlook supports Microsoft, Gmail, Yahoo, and even custom domains. And to sign in, tap Add Account. So this device recognizes my account. I will simply tap continue with this account for now. Once you are in, you will see your inbox. Outlook separates emails into focused and other tabs. Focused shows important emails, while other includes newsletters and less urgent messages. This is my new account, so I have it all empty. But to read any email, just simply tap on it. To respond, just tap reply, reply all, or forward at the bottom. To send a new email, tap the pencil icon in the bottom right. Add the recipient's email, subject, and your message here. Once done, tap send. At the bottom, you will also find tabs for calendars, files, attachments, great for checking meetings and accessing attachments easily. Now tap your profile icon in the top left, then go to settings. Here you can adjust notifications, signature and more. And that's how to use Outlook app on Android. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe and let me know in the comments what tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.